Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can download an application without going to the App Store. So very first you go to a Safari, click on iOS Ninja, and you go ahead to download iOS Ninja mobile app. Click on that link and we're going to scroll down until you find click on install. So you click install now and click allow, and the profile was downloaded. Next you go to your settings and you click on profile downloaded. Click on that and we're just going to follow up until we install the whole thing. Then you click on install profile, then you enter your passcode. I'm just going to enter my passcode, then you click on next, then you click install. Click install and it's been installed. Then you click done and you'll find the app has been installed in your device. I'm just going to click the home device and you can see it's been installed, iOS Ninja. And if you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching.